Welcome to the installation guide for Plateau's new 5G internet. The first step you'll want to take is to download the Nokia Wi-Fi app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Make sure you get the Nokia Wi-Fi app and not the Nokia Wireless app. Once you have that installed, go ahead and open it and tap on Get Started. Next, turn the device over and locate the QR code on the bottom. Tap Scan Code on the app. Then scan the QR code located on the bottom of the gateway. The app will now take you through some tips on positioning your gateway. Make sure you get it close to a window and avoid putting it on the floor, in a closet, or near things that may interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. You can click Next to go through the slides or just skip to move forward. The app will now have you insert the SIM card into the bottom of the gateway. There is a possibility that the SIM card came pre-installed. If this is the case for you, you can go ahead and tap Next on the app. If you have a SIM card to install, please remove it from the larger credit card size holder. The SIM card slot is located on the bottom of the gateway and is labeled SIM. Pull it out and then place the SIM card on the tray securely before reinserting the SIM card tray back into the bottom of the device. While you have the gateway turned over, take a picture. The Wi-Fi SSID is the network name and the Wi-Fi key is the Wi-Fi password. So if you intend on using the default network name and password, this will come in handy later. The app will now have you plug your gateway into power. Take the power cord and plug it into the gateway and the other side into an electrical outlet, then tap Next in the app. The app will now have you connect to the Wi-Fi network that is listed on the bottom of your gateway. Go to your Wi-Fi settings on your device, locate the Nokia network, enter the password into the password field, and connect. Note that it may take a minute or so for the gateway to boot up and for you to be able to see the Nokia network name that is listed on the bottom. Once you have connected to your network, go ahead and tap I'm connected. Your app will now locate the gateway, configure it, and test the connection. Your connection results will now display in the app. If your connection is good or great, there is really no need to relocate your gateway, so you can go ahead and tap Next. However, if your signal is weak and you want to reposition the device, you can go ahead and tap on Reposition Device and it will take you through those positioning tips again, and then you can tap Next to test the connection again. Your new gateway should now be listed in the app. Go ahead and tap Next. Congratulations, you're done. Tap Finish if you'd like to keep your network name and password as the defaults. If you wish to change them, you can tap the pencil icon to the right of the network name. Make note of any changes that you make. Changing the network name and/or password will cause the connection to go down for a couple minutes while the network settings are updated. If you need any assistance with this installation process or you run into any snags, please go ahead and call tech support at 888-638-3872. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.